Good morning, students. Let's begin with part 3 of Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Let's begin with new words and meanings first. Listen to the pronunciation of first word. It's quite difficult and quite long also. The pronunciation is conscientious. I repeat, conscientious. Okay, meaning is given on page number 66 of textbook. Second is utterly, completely, lately, recently. Several, more than two, but not many. So several means less than many. Incredulous is unbelievable, difficult to believe. विश्वास नहीं हो सकता ऐसा. Incredulous. Physician, doctor. Another word for doctor is physician. Desperately, in a rash manner. Anxiously. Now this pronunciation also, listen carefully. Many people make a lot of mistakes while pronouncing this word. It is anxiously. Okay, practice these words how to pronounce at home at least 5 to 6 times. Nervously and worriedly. Tranquilizer, meaning is given on page number 68 of textbook. Essential is highly important. Pronounced here in this textbook, it means increased in this chapter. Procured, meaning is given on page number 68. New phrases and meanings. New phrases means you can see that here they were only one word. Here you can see there are more than one word. There are two or more than two words. So that's why it is called phrase. And there are many phrases used in this. Very interesting phrases are used in this chapter. Because the author is also very renowned and famous one. Satyajit Ray. He was very good at writing stories and novels. Okay, so definitely he will use these kind of phrases. Carry on means continue, go ahead. Head was in a whirl, meaning is given on 66 page number. Gather his wits together, that is also given on the same page. Having a rough time, that is having a lot of problems in life. Turning up like a bad penny, that is also given on same page. Beat about the bush, not to talk about the main point. यानी इधर उधर की बातें करना, जो सच में जिस बारे में बात करनी है उसकी बात नहीं करना, बाकी उसको छोड़ के सब बात करना. That is beating around the bush या beat about the bush. Off and on means occasionally, not frequently. बहुत बार नहीं, कभी कभी. That is off and on. Throw your mind back, meaning is given page number 66. See off, to accompany someone till the point of departure. यानी किसी को कहीं वो बाहर जा रहा है तो उसको रेलवे स्टेशन पे, बस स्टैंड पे, एयरपोर्ट पे, कहीं पे छोड़ने जाना, बाय बाय करने जाना. That is called see off. Make out means actually the meaning is discern, but easy one is understand, to understand something. That is make out. I can make out that you are learning, you are doing your homework very well. At the moment is right now. Okay, at the moment, right now. So these are the words of this. Now let's begin with Bipin Chaudhary's, that is summary of part 3. Okay, so if you remember that in part 2 he did not feel like having his sandwiches that he brought in his tiffin during lunch break, so he did not eat anything in lunch break. After lunch break he thought that he is not feeling good, so it's better to go home, so he went home, right? And then reaching home he lay down on his bed, and then he was trying very hard to remember, to recollect what was that about Ranchi trip that Parimal Ghosh told him, but he could not remember anything about the trip. Finally at 7:30 his servant, he came upstairs and told Bipin Babu that his friend Chunilal had come to see him, to meet him. Now, who is Chunilal? This is another new character in this chapter. Chunilal was his school friend. He was his old friend. He was facing many problems. Chunilal was facing many problems. He had a rough time. He was jobless. He had no job. And many times Chunilal used to go to Bipin Babu to request him to find a job for him. But Bipin Babu used to think that this Chunilal is of no use. He cannot do any work properly, so it is not possible to find any job for him. So Bipin Babu did not help Chunilal to get any job. Now, when servant told Bipin Babu that Chunilal had come to see him, he thought that this fellow must have come to again request him to get one job for him, to favor him. So Bipin Babu simply told servant to tell him that that Bipin Babu could not see him, so just go away. Okay, for weeks he cannot, for some weeks he cannot meet anybody. So servant went downstairs to inform Chunilal, and Chunilal was about to leave. During that time, instantly, at once, immediately, Bipin Babu recalled that, thought that, it struck to his mind that Chunilal used to come to his house off and on, so he must be knowing something about the Ranchi trip of 1958, October 1958. So he rushed downstairs and entered the hall, and he called Chunilal. Chunilal was just about to leave, and then because Bipin Babu called him, Chunilal waited there, and Bipin Babu asked Chunilal whether he knew anything about the Ranchi trip of October 1958. Chunilal said, "What? You don't remember all this? How is it possible?" So he started telling that yes. Then Chunilal asked him, "Do you remember what was the last job that I did?" So Bipin Babu said, "Yes, you were a travel agent. You had a travel agency." So he says, "You remember my last job and you don't remember the Ranchi trip? How is it possible?" He said, "You are right. I was the travel agent, and I was the one who booked your railway tickets. I came to see you off on the railway station, and I myself called the electrician and got the fan repaired in your railway compartment, and you don't still remember." So Bipin Babu was like, couldn't understand what to do. He doesn't remember anything about what Chunilal had told him. So Chunilal then, looking at the condition of Bipin Babu, he was very sad, and also he simply went away without telling Bipin Babu about his job. So he simply requesting him to get a job for him. So he simply went away, and then now Bipin Babu was in worst condition. He was very much tensed. He was disturbed. So he decided to call a physician, to call a doctor. So he called Dr. Paresh Chanda, and he came there. Bipin Babu told everything, the whole problem. He narrated the whole problem to doctor. Doctor was puzzled. He was surprised. He was shocked. Not surprised. He was shocked. How it is possible that the person has forgotten only one incident of his life? How is it possible? So he then said he had never seen such a strange case in his entire career. But then he suggested that if he goes to the same place, that is Ranchi, he will definitely remember the things again. So the doctor Paresh Chanda suggested Bipin Babu to go to Ranchi again. So now and doctor went away, and then after listening to the suggestion of doctor physician, Bipin Babu decided to do the same thing. So simply he called up at his office and gave instruction, and then he booked his train ticket to Ranchi. So this is all about first his third part. I hope you are enjoying this. It's a suspense story, right? We don't know what is going on. So that's it. I'll also share the question answer in the group. Okay, do write the question answer, and also the words and new phrases. Thank you very much. Good day.